Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Squarespace account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Squarespace, comment to the address bar, and press enter. Wait for the Squarespace homepage to fully load. Look for the login option at the top right area of the page. Click Login to open the sign-in page. If you see multiple login choices, select the one that matches how you created your account. Choose email address if you signed up using an email and password. Click inside the email address field. Type the email address connected to your Squarespace account. Click inside the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to check what you typed, use the Show Password icon if it appears. Click the Login button to continue. Wait a few seconds while Squarespace verifies your details. If you signed up with Google, click Continue with Google instead. Select your Google account or enter your Google email if prompted. Approve the sign-in request to return to Squarespace. If you signed up with Apple, click Continue with Apple instead. Confirm your Apple ID and complete any verification steps shown. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the reset request. Open your email inbox and find the Squarespace password reset message. Click the reset link in the email and create a new password. Return to the Squarespace login page after resetting your password. Sign in again using your updated password. If you have multiple sites, choose the correct site from your account dashboard. Check that you are on the home menu or dashboard to confirm you are signed in. If you are on a shared or public device, open account settings and choose Log Out when finished. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.